So, hey guys, another day. I thought this time we would be out of Dolpa, but we're stuck here because nobody told us that the jeeps leaves early in the mornings. So finally, after all our trek days, we decided to sleep in, and then we don't have a vehicle anymore, like to go to our next destination. But luckily, we have this really cool uncle. He drives big trucks. So I think we're gonna catch a ride with him, like hitchhike a ride within this truck. Alright, I think we're getting really close to the truck. Here we go. The truck is our lifesaver for today. It has Shiva's and our royal family's photo in the front, which I like. Wow, even on the sides too. So this is the truck. गाडी नै छैन अब यसमै जानुपर्छ हजुर गाडी नै छैन यसमै जाने अब So I think we're gonna stay up in the front in the cabin. Let's see. Man, I've never rode a truck before, and this is a big truck. Like, can you imagine the way we came in that Jeep? It was such a narrow path even for Jeeps, and now we're trying to go back to the same road in this big ass truck. Like, how is this guy gonna get us there? I don't know. I'm like a little bit nervous, I'm a little bit happy, I'm a little bit sad, I'm a little bit excited, a little bit angry. There's all kinds of twisted emotions in me right now, but me and Rohit, we are pretty excited. And I'm driving down. I'm so he's our partner for today. No, ready to go. Finally.
चढाउन तिमी जाऊ त माथि ल्याउ
हुन्न दुईजना जाउँदा नि हामी कहाँबाट चल्न ठाउँ कहाँ छ हेर्नुस् केटो छ नि मासु यहाँ पछाडी बस्नु है पछाडी उभारेर बिरामीले आर्मीले मार्छ दे मार्छ आर्मीले.
Our truck journey begins as of right now. Our brother and our driver Dai helping us get to our next destination. Let's go, brah. Truck surfing. We're truck surfing right now, guys. Yeah, we're hitchhiking in the truck in Nepal. Let's go.
ice trucker. No, desert trucker.
Desert truck. Christ. He's definitely a great driver, bro. That was scary. I was scared for a minute. So being late wasn't enough for today. We are going through so many things today, man. Like the whole thing was, our whole trek was super nice, all planned out, but now look at this. The middle of the road, it's like all landslide right now. Like we can't pass this. No way. No way we can pass this. Look at this. This is nuts. The boys are trying to get over this boulder. Big ass boulder. There's a crane up there trying to dig the wall, but what an idiot. Big ass boulder. Not a good day. So finally we are on the way again, but it's getting dark already and we have to get to a certain place. Finally we made it to the room. We're gonna stay here. We were hoping to jump on a bus tonight, but oh well, it's a part of adventure, right? Sometimes things don't go your way and we just gotta adjust. So we're gonna catch the bus tomorrow. So we're in the mountains right now, and I'm not gonna tell you where, but we are gonna be going somewhere super plain. Most of the Nepalis probably know what I'm talking about. Super plain. So yeah guys, this day was a long day. We were just hopping on that truck, like bam, bam, up and down. The road was so sketchy for a big truck like that, but we made it safely, and we just had our dinner. He's tired, I'm tired. Let's get some sleep. Let's get some sleep. Good night. What a day.